What's up, everybody? We have Carey Harts' old Suburban here. It has a 5.3 swap with a 460. It had a couple little problems, like the radiator's leaking and it didn't have steam ports on it. The air filter was rubbing. There's a ton of little stuff. Had no overflow tank for the radiator. My buddy bought it, so he wants to lower it. Like, we have like all the suspension parts in it for it, but you want to like 3-inch drop on it and do some Detroit steel wheels, put a trailer hitch on it so we could tow a boat, or he could tow a boat, not we. But this thing is pretty clean. He just tinted the windows a little bit, so be able to haul the kids and stuff in it. But this thing is pretty cool. Super clean. Most of it's original. But right now I'm making a fan mount. Can't really see in there, but check this out. So that's the fan. It had the other fans on it were super loud. I tried putting a clutch fan on it, but that wasn't really working out. But so I'm making this new, just this little plate to hold this, so it's all removable. I'm gonna plasma cut some plates on the bottom so we could weld that to the frame and then use that to bolt this on. I made this little bracket to hold the radiator overflow on, just like Amazon special. Still need to add the steam port line to get the air out of it. This is dirty, but other than that, that's pretty good. We might change the exhaust on it, but right now I'm just doing stuff so we could actually drive it and move it around. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty sweet rig. So I'm gonna plasma cut out some of those plates real quick. We're also getting ready this weekend. Terror Crew's coming out to Pismo, so we're gonna go out there and film some stuff and trucks jumping and make sure everybody's being safe. Because we used to do Huckfest and stuff, so we're pretty familiar with the dunes, and we've lived out here our whole entire lives. So there you go. I'm gonna clean these up, weld them up, and our radiator fan should be mounted. So I was just running it for probably like 10-15 minutes, just cycling, get all the air bubbles out, but it's cruising at about 200. 209. I think the thermostat might be bad. There still might be bubbles in it too, but yeah, check it while it's on. But this is the Dakota Digital Dash. It's a really clean truck, but might go down. It's been parked, so might drive it around. in it, but she's running pretty good. That's the dudes right there, by the way. Kind of see them. I'm still going to swap the thermostat, and I don't know, this truck hasn't been driven that much, probably like 6,000 miles on it since it's been built, but I'll change that out. There's no mirror on the passenger side. I just looked in the passenger mirror, that's not there.